Who are we gonna go see right now?
Jared and Joe.
Are you excited?
Yes, so much excited.
Who are you excited to see?
Joe.
Mana Joe. Are we gonna go swimming with her?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, best day ever. She's gonna love to see you swim. Let's go. You're gonna skip? Okay. Say on our way to see Mana Joe. Do you see her?
Hi, beautiful. Oh, God.
You're gonna put your shoes right here. And you lay down by
Get
us.
on your swim. Oh my gosh. You want to show Mana how you can, do you want to try and swim to her?
You can swim.
Show her how you swim outward. Okay, I'll help you down the stairs, baby.
Yeah, Nora. Woohoo! Oh my gosh.
Oh my goodness. Do you think you can touch here? No. Do you want me to hold you? You're good. You're good. So all the way to here.
Oh my gosh.
You don't even need me? No, you don't even need me.
Oh no. Oh no. Keep swimming. You got it.
Nora, the fish.
Good job, Nora.
You are under us.
I know, right?
Britt is falling down.
Oh, look, it's this thing.
Remember this water scooter?
Oh, this thing?
Okay, right here.
Oh, a
Okay, you got
train.
it?
That's a good
Okay,
idea.
here we go.
Oh, that's so
All right. Please engage the super high power.
There they go.
I'm gonna swim.
Just give it back. Just up here like this.
That's so fun. Tea party with Mom and Joe in the swimming pool. That's gonna be so fun.
Oh, don't film.
Say, Uncle Jared. Oh my gosh, Jared's swimsuit just came off.
I got skivvies on.
Uh,
I got underwear on.
I was gonna like pull on those, but I didn't.
going a little too fast there, buddy. The shorts just came right off.
It came off.
Have to blur that out.
3, 2, 1.
Ready? Count down again. 3, 2,
1.
Let's go!
Whoa.
Here, I'm gonna be on the other side of it. Okay, here we go.
Wait, in your face?
Yep, no, this way.
Oh,
Here we
okay.
go.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh my gosh. Whoa, that's cool. Dora, was that cool?
Whoa.
That was super cool.
Whoa, Jared.
Whoa, Jared.
That was a big flip.
That was a big flip.
In front of you?
Nora, is Mona gonna do the
Well,
water
if you're gonna do
scooter?
the water, I think you're gonna want
She's
that.
gonna do it. It's gonna be so fun.
Go underwater.
Is she gonna go under it? Oh my
Yeah.
gosh.
Go underwater.
Oh boy.
Just try to catch on. Okay, hurry, Jared, catch on. Hurry. Jared, go.
Is he trying to get your feet?
You stopped!
He dragged me down.
Jared's trying to hold on to her feet and then he pulls her.
Jared, we're doing it.
Oh my gosh. What? Oh, we saw it. You guys look really awesome. That's so cute. Got it.
Oh, you have funny, Nora.
You guys think that's funny? What about this, Nora? Is this funny?
No!
Are they feeling silly?
Save me. Save me, Nora.
Are you gonna go save Uncle Jared?
That's a pretty fun scooter.
Nora's giving everyone refreshments.
Okay, toast.
Oh,
Ready?
cheers.
Cheers.
Our pinky out. Our pinky has to be out.
Manners, Jared.
Which one is it? Like that? Pinky.
Oh, it's delicious.
Yummy. Can I have
love
another?
it. What kind is this? This is lemonade.
Oh, unicorn spit. That's good. I like that one.
Unicorn
Yeah, you
spit.
can have some of my spit. There you go. Fresh from a unicorn spout.
It's magic tea, huh, Nora? It's magic tea, Uncle Jared.
I'm holding Nora. No!
Get him, Nora.
I love this game. Oh, I need my back brace.
Go get him, Nora. Big news?
I got popsicles.
You have popsicles? Oh my
Is it
gosh.
only for people who are nice?
Does Jared get a popsicle? Does Jared get a popsicle? Does Mona Joe get a popsicle too?
Do I get like all of us we want to?
We all
Oh.
It was so great.
On my mom's last day here, we decided to take her to the one and only 15th Street Fishery.
I'm so excited. I am loving it. I don't know that I'm loving more the location or
Yeah! Notice that we're all wearing exactly what we purchased.
You guys, we are
so much. Look at this, Fort Lauderdale all the way across.
we are representing the souvenir shop.
That's right.
1000%.
Subi.
Souvenir.
You know, we matched in stripes. Now we're just literally matching.
Looking
we both
good.
have jeans.
And
She
look at
has
this
on a white
location.
t-shirt, so I'm wearing a white t-shirt.
We got our
Yeah.
double necklaces. We even, did you show our jeans, Jerry? We got
Oh,
I know. Is this
very
the
nice.
best?
I wish I had cute tennis shoes like Mona Joe.
Even down
And
to
I-
like the white, yeah.
I wish
everything.
I was a
Perfect.
size small like Brittany, but you know, hey, it's good.
But you guys, Mona has never been to 50th Street Fishery, so we
Never.
had to bring her here.
Yes.
It's reminding us so much of cute Papa right now.
Absolutely. He would love this. He is loving
It's
it.
is
beautiful,
loving
this
this.
place.
He is
This
loving
location
this.
is awesome. It's like literally right here on the
Absolutely.
water. I mean, it's surrounded by boats. It's gorgeous.
It's so
I can't
pretty.
think of anything better.
Oh yes, and then the sun is setting. You can see behind us right now, so you got to come. You come a little before sunset, so you can get the sunset and then see it at night as well. And there's fish here that we got to feed big tarpon fish.
Massive
Okay,
tarpon.
that's gonna
They're
be
huge.
fun.
Yeah, you
That's
feed them
gonna be
shrimp.
Oh, we do?
Oh, great.
I thought I was eating shrimp.
No,
Okay,
it's
whatever.
even better because they're live shrimp. So they kind of wiggle. You got to hold on to them tight.
Really?
No.
Okay, you guys, we got some entertainment. I think we're gonna try and sneak on this boat.
I think they probably were supposed to fit.
Wait a second, I think I got it.
What?
Perfect cover up.
What's your cover up?
All right, we're set.
He just buttoned his top button.
I think I still look a little bit
Welcome to the boat. Welcome to our party.
Yeah, did you guys see the red carpet?
Yeah, there's red carpet right here, like walking onto the ship. Our boat's leaving us. Wait.
Wait a second.
Wait.
I can pass it up.
How's your swimming?
Oh, it's called the Biscayne Lady.
Look at that.
That's a 3-decker.
I know they wouldn't have.
Wow, that's tall though.
That is tall. Oh my gosh. Oh boy. Oh boy.
How did they know?
All right, we just finished dinner.
It was delicious.
It was so good. Mona was so sweet and treated us. My gosh.
I got a sandwich that had a lot of, well, there's a lot of bread and cheese, and so I took it all off.
Yeah, you just ate kind of the meat. Oh my gosh, look at this big one. Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. She's hiding. Woo! Look at all of them. Oh my gosh. Oh.
Get it, get it.
Jared, careful.
Look how big that is.
Holy cow.
He's got fish swimming on top of him. Oh my gosh. Oh, get it. Oh, it's too big for me. I gotta break it.
They are huge.
I think it's too big. It's too big for me.
Look at these guys. Oh, they're just right here waiting. Are they not taking it?
Oh, yeah.
Just that one they didn't.
There we go. That's kindred spirit.
Try to do a sneak attack.
I know, but I'm afraid to. Did you do it? Did you do it?
They're big enough to pull you in.
They're big enough to pull you in. Oh my gosh.
That one. That is huge.
Oh my God.
Yeah, she knows. They're big enough to pull you in.
Yeah, I'm not doing it.
Oh my gosh. Look at these guys. That one is huge. Look at the one staring just right at you. Look at
They
its
are
eye.
massive. This is the biggest I've ever seen them.
Woohoo! Whoa, can you imagine falling in here? I want the big one to open its mouth.
Come on, big boy.
Right here. Oh, that was a good one.
She said that if you do it this way, that they'll come up and eat it out of
Oh
your
my
hand.
gosh. Jared, will you do that?
Oh, I don't dare.
I don't
You
dare
said
either.
they're big to pull you in.
This one. It's so big. Okay, it's kind of scary because this dock is like kind of slanting, I feel like. Okay, they're totally following us over here. Oh my gosh. How big do you think these are? Oh yeah, they're on this side too. Oh my gosh.
Jared, look at these over here.
Wow.
They're not getting anything. Can they not swim underneath?
Look at that one.
Oh my God.
That one's a fatty.
Shark.
Oh, these little guys are
The little
fast.
guys are faster than the big ones, I think.
Okay. You gotta get lower, babe. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
That's not
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Jared Bingham.
I don't know.
It's gonna do it again. It's gonna do it again.
Jared.
He knows it's no good. Come back over here.
Oh, they're coming by me.
Gosh.
My gosh, they splash. Right?
This is crazy. Oh my gosh. Jared, I thought your hand was
I
gone.
thought it was gone too. He was eyeing it.
We all jumped.
Jared, me, look at him. Look right here. He's looking right here.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah, what you looking at, buddy?
Oh no. Oh no.
Oh my gosh.
What do you
he is
think?
way bigger.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
He's a
You can do it first. You show me how it's done, right?
We're filming.
After dinner. Oh, okay. Oh my gosh.
Try it again. Oh boy. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Joey moved away.
I'm like, save yourself.
They're coming. The big boys are there, Jared.
Look at, he's got a fish on top of him.
Ew. Ew. Gross.
You're not getting in the car with us.
Oh my gosh.
Jared,
Okay.
hold on. Oh, Jared.
We're moving away. Oh. Oh.
You wouldn't take it.
Look at this big guy underneath the boat.
Oh, here he's new. He maybe doesn't know what they are.
Whoa. Is it just me or these like big dogs?
They're so big.
They're so big.
They look like sharks. Oh my gosh, Jared
They're
Bingham.
gonna come up from behind you. I just know it. They're gonna sneak attack you.
Throw it. Don't let it get in your hand. Whatever. Here, you throw it.
Mana's gonna do the last one.
I've got two.
You got two?
Yeah, and I can break this up into three. One for each of us.
Oh. Woo! Yeah, he's got the stuff they want. He's got shrimp.
Oh, there we go. There we go.
Oh my gosh, Mon, Jolene, Jared, hold her.
Hold this. I'll hold this.
No.
He's right there. He's in there.
Oh my gosh. These two, you guys.
Do it together.
They're looking. That one's looking. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
I can't do it. I can't do it. I can't do it. He's right there.
Look, here comes. He's looking for the big one.
Oh.
Where's the big
You were
boy?
brave.
Yeah, big one.
Come on, big guy. You want to come over here?
Yeah, the big ones are here.
Oh, there goes one.
there we go,
There we go.
You got it. You got it. You got it.
These guys are huge. Oh no, Jared. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, Jared Bingham. Sometimes they'll eat out of your hand. Oh, look at the one down there. Oh my gosh.
He'll sneak attack.
Grab it.
Did you see how big their mouth is?
Holy cow. Look at all of them.